Alrighty, y'all. So today, y'all gonna get the review of the porch. But all right, y'all. So I worked hard at getting this together. I'm going to be adding a few more things. I just wanted to go ahead on to show y'all the review, but it definitely gonna be a few more things added to this area. Y'all just gonna get a look at what it looks at now. So are you ready? Let me go down on the other end. Gonna go on the other end. This is the porch, y'all. So I still haven't gotten the rest of my mirrors, but over here I'm going to add all mirrors cross hill. So I need to go get two more mirrors to go there. So I'm going to have mirrors going across there. I have my little sitting area. Um, then I brought the end tables and brought them out here. And this is a couch that I already had in the house, so I just added that out here. And little storage thing there for the coffee table. Then we have the other end table. Then we have a sitting area here. And I put that rug in front of the refrigerator there, which, yeah. So, yeah. So I'm going to put a tablecloth on this table here along with what's already there. Then I'm gonna probably add some dishes to it. I don't think I'm gonna add no dishes to this table. I think I'm gonna just let this table stay like it is and just add a tablecloth and that's it. And then this gonna be the food table here, so I gotta add tablecloth and stuff like that to that table. The drink table, or my little bar, really this is my bar. But yeah. And then this here is the dining room area, the dining table, the formal dining area. Huh? I love it, y'all. I think I did a good job. I need two more plates to add to the ends, but I was thinking about doing like festive looking plates or I don't know, something. But I only had four of these plates here, which I had more, but I gave them away. So I was like, let me bring those out there because I like those plates and I think they look good with the theme. And so yeah, I brought those plants out here and the owl's still sitting there. And look how I did the table, y'all. So the table, it looks really, really good. I like how it turned out. Put those little plates over there, the trees out here. I put a little pillow in this chair that says thankful. And I put that pillow in that chair over there. So I think that turned out good. And a rug down here. So then I got to decorate this little stand. I don't know what I'm gonna decorate it with, but I ain't really in no hurry. So I was just thinking for like for the time being, since we're gonna be eating out here, probably I don't know, put the stuff on there that we're gonna need, like the spoons and the napkins and ain't no telling whatever else, child. But yeah. So this is the porch, y'all. This is the porch. I love it. I decided to move that out of here. And, when I do the other side of the porch over there, all my lawnmower and all that stuff can go on the other side of the porch over there. But this is how it turned out. I love it. It may not be, everything that it could be, but it should be, but it's everything that it could be, at the moment. And I love it. I love it. So, well, it's everything that it should be too. But it could be a little bit more better. But I did what I could with what I had and what I can afford. So, yeah. Oh, I forgot to show y'all. I put the tree over here and my little speaker up there. So yeah. So that's how it turned out, and I like it. And the thatch, I swear, I think the thatch just looks so good with the whole theme. My mama said it looked farmhouse, but I don't know. Tell me what y'all think it looked like. But I love it. I think I did a good job. And then I hung white curtains over here. So yeah, y'all, that's it. So if y'all like this video, y'all make sure y'all give it a big thumbs up, a couple thumbs up. And until the next one, this is your girl Tiana. Y'all be blessed. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm out.